And definitely don't stop reaching out to people. And I think the best way to reach out to people is offering them help, you know, free
Yeah.
help.
Offering free help and telling your story. Because like, look, we'll at least like I'm sure Ramu is too. But like we're willing to like meet with you and like give you advice and stuff. We
Hmm.
can't give you a job or anything like that. Like, A,
Right.
that's not how it works. B, we don't have that kind of
Maybe
power.
one day.
Yeah, but giving us as much information as possible without being like overbearing, like, yeah, I can't read a novel, but if you just do like a little paragraph of like, hey, this is about me, this is where I'm trying to get, this is the stumbling blocks I'm currently facing, that gives me something to work with. Because I remember I was like going through my Twitter this weekend, and when I first started like doing my Talke Tech Twitter, it's like I didn't have Twitter before. I was very uncomfortable with the user interface, and there were some messages from people. I'm like, oh, I didn't even notice they commented. So I was kind of like catching up on that a little bit over the weekend. And
Mhm.
there's this one person who like messaged me a bit back, and they're just like, hi, I need a job. And my initial response was just like, dude, I'm not just like I'm not going to respond to that. Like I can't do that, and you're giving me nothing to work with, and the fact that you're
Right.
coming in hot like that, it like leaves a bad starting taste in my mouth.
Mhm.
But it's the guy, he seemed like a young guy, and it reminded me of just like, okay, when I was younger and I didn't know better, I'm sure when I reached out to people, because like little socially unaware Zach, who likes to be headstrong, doesn't have the best social skills, but also is like a decent thinker who like knows he's smart for his age, is a bad combination for like when you're not used to reaching out to people in like a business setting and like not rubbing people the wrong way. So I like kind of like poo-pooed that for a bit, and now I'm trying to reach out to the guy now because I'm like he might just need some like advice or something, and I'm gonna give him the benefit of the doubt. That like just thinking back to the younger version of me,
Right.
but so if you're listening, I forget your name. Like I tried to follow you. Message me again. I'll see what I can